Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can share your project on GanttPro in 2026 to invite, for example, your future team members or project co-workers to work on it in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project, and here in the top right corner, guys, you will see these three dots. Click into it. Next, select share link. And now you can create a link here by selecting this option, and that is going to create a link to that project so that you may use it by copying it to your clipboard here, and there you go, so that you may now invite your friends and contacts to join you on that project on GanttPro. You can also close the link, for instance, by changing its status here, or you can delete it. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.